Why do you think a limbless snake would fight with another animal? Well, there could be a battle of power, aggression, or emotions. However, to your surprise, some of the craziest snake fights are caught on camera. Narrate a whole different story. So just hold your heart to see the craziest fights and find out who ends up being killed in this exciting video. But before going ahead, make sure to subscribe to our channel if you want to become an owner of a villa in your favorite destination. Now, without wasting much time, let's jump straight into the video. Number 10. Cobra vs Mongoose. Mongoose and snakes tend to be the biggest opponents. Did you see how the mongoose is stepping forward to the cobra? But it seems that the cobra is not ready to lose this fight. Cobra is defending himself with his sharp teeth. The distance between them is very little. Whoa, the cobra attacked the mongoose. However, he escaped. Here, you can see him running away from the cobra. But wait, he brought his friend Yellow Mongoose to face the cobra, and who is now threatening the cobra with his wide open mouth. But the cobra's winning blow is enough to scare them out. Number 9. King Cobra vs Leopard. Do you see that little leopard playing with the king cobra? Well, this scenario is quite cute, but still, nothing can be said. King Cobra is trying to attack him, but the little leopard is fast enough to resist every attack. Well, it seems like baby leopard is not aware of what a cobra is, as he is poking the king cobra, but at the same time, he is every alert. Whoa, the jump by a baby leopard was a reality check that he shouldn't mess with the most venomous reptile. Oh, what just happened here? Mother and brother of baby leopard came to give him company. It seems like Cobra is a bit confused about the situation. The cub is still playing with the venomous toy, but he is more confident this time as he has his supporters by his side. King Cobra is backing off. Whoa, it seems like these leopards are bullying King Cobra. Now, Cub is touching Cobra from a safe distance, and he very well knows how to tackle this venomous snake. Ha! Little leopard makes King Cobra rush into his tree hollow. Number 8. Cobra vs Eagle. We can see a brown eagle in the forest. Her eyes are searching for something. It seems like she is in search of food. Whoa, it is unbelievable. She tried to seize a cobra by gulping him, but couldn't. She moved back and returned with a new spirit and tried to eat him again. But alas, she failed again. It seems like the cobra is not letting the eagle harm him. He is defending himself so well. Here, we can see a mini sort of fight between the eagle and cobra. And after a while of fighting, the eagle moved back and flew away. Number 7. King Cobra vs Python. King Cobra and Python are chasing each other. The war is on. Whoa, both are trying to constrict each other, but it seems like the King Cobra is powerful over here. Look at how he is biting Python. Ha! Python is a strong soul. He is struggling to escape. Poor Python seems unconscious. He is finally trying to run away. King Cobra and Python both decided to end the fight here, and they are parting ways. Number 6. King Cobra vs Spitting Cobra. Here, we have King Cobra fighting next to a spitting cobra. Both are equally venomous, but who is going to survive? Well, Spitting Cobra is small, though, but we cannot judge the outcome by the size. 8 meters long cobra attacked the Spitting Cobra. King Cobra is dominantly constricting him between his jaws. Whoa, the tables have suddenly turned. Now Spitting Cobra is trying to bite King Cobra. Ha! King Cobra delivers a venomous bite to Spitting Cobra close to his head. Spitting Cobra is totally under the control of King Cobra. He is still making an effort, but sadly, he gave up. And now he is the lunch of King Cobra. Number 5. King Snake vs Rattlesnake. Well, here you can see how the king snake is all set to attack Rattlesnake. King Snake is stepping closer to a rattlesnake. Meanwhile, the rattlesnake is also ready for the war. Whoa, the king snake swoops down upon Rattlesnake. Now he is dragging the rattlesnake by clenching his head between his jaws. There's no chance for the rattlesnake to survive. Ha! Look at how the king snake swallows the whole rattlesnake. Number 4. Komodo dragon versus spitting cobra. We can see the Komodo dragon heading towards the spitting cobra. He is so close to the cobra, and it seems like he attacks in moments, as now the spitting cobra is between his teeth. However, he attacks backs on the spitting cobra. Other animals are enjoying the fight. Meanwhile, the Komodo dragon controls the cobra, but in his defense, the cobra is trying to bite the dragon. Komodo dragon rolls off the cobra, and now he intakes the whole cobra. It seems like Komodo dragon enjoyed his lunch. Number 3. Indigo versus Diamondback Rattlesnake. As you can see, Diamond Rattlesnake and Indigo are very close to starting the war. Let's see who will attack first. Indigo is stepping forward. Meanwhile, the Diamond Rattlesnake is stepping backward. Whoa, Indigo is not letting this Diamond Rattlesnake go. Both have hardly the distance of one hand between them. It seems like a cold war. Look, the Indigo snake is moving slightly. He is overlapping the Diamond Rattlesnake. Whoa, the Indigo snake finally bites off the Diamond Rattlesnake on several parts. Oh, the Diamond Rattlesnake is trying to escape, but he is not powerful enough. Indigo snake is dragging the lifeless spitting cobra at his place. Number 2. King Cobra vs Tow Dog. These two dogs seem to be in search of food and want to try how cobra tastes like. One dog is barking at the cobra, which is making the cobra alert about the situation. Whoa, the brave dog holds the cobra into his mouth. Cobra is trying to attack him, but here the dogs are clever. Dog bites off the flesh from the cobra's body, but still the cobra is not giving up. Number 1. Python vs cat. Wow, a little cat is courageous enough to face the python. It seems the cat is regretting her decision. Ha! Poking the python, poor cat. Hold on, as the results would be dangerous. Okay, finally, cat realizes that the decision was wrong, and she is rushing away. So these were the top 10 craziest fights that were caught on camera. Well, this is it for today's video. Do not forget to like this video. Moreover, do tell us in the comments section which fight you enjoyed the most. Also, hit the bell icon to stay updated with such amazing videos. Thank you for watching. Until next time, stay tuned, stay safe, take care, bye-bye.